Have you ever been stuck with a dead car battery and a flat tire at the worst possible time? Well, today I'm checking out a gadget that claims to solve both problems with one device. Before we get started, make sure to check the product link in the description below. And if you enjoy Amazon gadget reviews, hit that subscribe button for more. Meet the GOOLOO, a 7 jump starter with air compressor. At first glance, it looks like a regular jump starter, but there's a lot more going on here. This is actually a 12-in-1 emergency tool designed for drivers who want to be prepared for almost anything. The standout feature is the massive 6,000 amp jump starting power. It can bring dead batteries back to life on cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and even diesel engines up to 10 liters. And if your battery is completely drained, there's a boost mode for extra starting power. But here's what really caught my attention. It also includes a built-in 160 psi air compressor. That means you can inflate tires, pool floats, camping gear, and more without carrying extra equipment. The setup is surprisingly simple, with easy step-by-step operation for jumping a battery or inflating a tire. So, is it worth it? If you want one compact device that can handle multiple roadside emergencies, the GOOLOO A7 is definitely worth considering. Check out the link below and see if it's the right fit for your vehicle.